Welcome back, children. Today we will start with a new chapter in EVS, lesson number 9, Land.
Take out page number 71 and start reading with me. Magan Bhai, after taking his dinner, sat for watching TV. The baby Zeel came running to him. She said, "Grandfather, tell me a story." Children, those who have grandparents at home, you tell them to say a story to you. Yes, you all love stories, and your grandparents know many stories, and you force them to tell you a story. In the same way, here, baby Zeel also says to her grandfather that she wants to listen to a story. Then, grandfather questions that which story do you want to listen? The one which I enjoy the most, Zeel said. Okay, said grandfather, and began the story. Children, here we start with the story. There was a small village. A potter named Magan Bhai stayed here. Children, who is a potter? Yes, potter is a person who makes pots. And here, what is the name of the potter? Yes, name of the potter is Magan Bhai, and he lives in a village. Every day he brings soil from the lake and prepares pots, bowls, etc. So children, what does Magan Bhai does every day? He brings soil from the lake and prepares pots and bowls from that soil. One day he prepared a small pot. He painted it colorful. The pot looked very beautiful now. He kept the pot in his shop for sale. Children, you might have noticed that some potters, those who are making pots, they are coloring it very nicely with some sceneries, with some flower prints, with some birds, and they look very beautiful, and we love to buy it. So, in the same way, Magan Bhai also has kept these pots for sale. The next day, Ramesh Bhai was passing nearby his shop. He saw the pot and immediately purchased it. His daughter Bindia became extremely happy after seeing this small pot in Ramesh Bhai's hand. She said, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." Now, children, who bought that pot from Magan Bhai? Yes, Ramesh Bhai bought that pot from Magan Bhai. And when he took it to his house, when Ramesh Bhai took it to his house, his daughter became very happy. And what was his daughter's name? Yes, Bindia. His daughter became extremely happy, and he took the pot from his hand and told his father and said his father that, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." And what did Ramesh Bhai said? Yes, okay, you fill water in this pot. Then every day Bindia fills water using this small pot. One day the pot slipped from her hands. It fell down and broken into pieces. Heartbroken, Bindia collected the pieces and kept them behind the house. Children, here you can see that what happened one day when Bindia was filling water into the pot. What happened? The pot fell down and it broken into pieces. Now Bindia was very sad, and she collected all the pieces of the broken pot and kept those pieces behind the house. Now grandfather asked, "Now tell me, dear, what would have happened to those pieces?" Now grandfather questions that what would have happened to those broken pieces of pot which Bindia kept behind the house. Now, Zeel says some girls like me must have used them for playing games. Yes, children, Zeel was very small child, so she didn't knew that what would have happened to those broken pieces of pot. She said very innocently that some girls might have used them for playing games. You are correct. These pieces are mixed again with the soil. Grandfather says that these pieces which were kept behind the house by Bindia have mixed again with the soil. Hearing this, confused Zeal asked, "What other things get mixed in the soil?" Now, children, here Zeal was very little girl and she had doubt that why grandfather is saying that those broken pieces of pot mixed with the soil. She again questions her grandfather that what other things get mixed in the soil. So let's move on to page number 72. Children, here we have one activity which you can try at your home. Now just see what all things you will require to do this activity. First is spade, then sieve for sieving wheat, sieve for sieving wheat flour, thin cotton cloth and lumps of soil. Children, here sieve for sieving wheat means the sieve which your mother is using for sieving wheat. And second is sieve for weeding wheat flour means the sieve which your mother is using for sieving wheat flour. Okay. A thin cotton cloth and lumps of soil from your garden. Now, what to do? Children, take one lump of soil, turn it into small particle size, sieve it through the wheat sieving sieve. Okay, so you will take a lump of soil, you will crumble it into the wheat sieving sieve and then you will sieve it. Okay, what is left in the sieve? Here you have to observe that after sieving that lump of soil, what is left in the sieve? Children, you will observe that small stones are left in the sieve. And what is sieved out of the sieve? Yes, other components of soil got sieved out. Now, we will do another activity. Keep the component left in the sieve separately. Children, here the components which were sieved out of sieve, you will keep them separately. Now, activity 2. Collect the sieved part and sieve it with the sieve used for sieving wheat flour. Children, in the first activity, we used a sieve which is used for sieving wheat. Now, in second activity, we will use a sieve which is used for sieving wheat flour. And here we will use the components which were left in the sieve used for sieving wheat. Collect the sieved part and sieve it with the sieve used for sieving wheat flour. Now, children, observe what is left in the sieve. You will observe that sand is left in the sieve. And what is left out of the sieve? Fine powder of soil is sieved out of the sieve. Now, children, keep the component left in the sieve separately. Collect the second time filtered soil and sieve it through a cotton cloth. So, now what happens? You have to observe what happens when the soil is sieved through the cloth. Children, you will observe here that after sieving with the fine cotton cloth, silt is left in the cloth. And what is filtered out of the cloth? Fine powder of soil is filtered out of the cloth. Children, here what is silt? Yes, silt is made of rock and mineral particles that are larger than clay but smaller than sand. Children, here we got the answer of Zeal that what other things get mixed in the soil. Sand, silt, clay, stones and organic residue are mixed in the soil. Children, all of you try this activity at your home. So you will get a better idea about the components of the soil or the things present in the soil. So children, this was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.